This is 35 yards away. I'll shoot them in the same order. Right, that might give people some kind of idea of how loud that Hushpower is compared to the 12 gauge, because there's been people on the forum saying, well, how loud are they, how quiet are they, what cartridges to use. But those 2.5 inch Elys are spot on if like you want to be shooting rats in your back garden. They're trap 410s, but they also call them 4-longs. I think they've changed the packaging on them. And these live L ones, they're just good for anything, squirrels and crows and what have you. Get them from Mole Valley.